In today's video, I'm going to show how to install Premium Auto Styling's Headlight Eyelid Amber Delete Tint Overlay Kit. This kit comes with two overlays in one of two colors, medium smoke or gloss black. The medium smoke color will allow some of the reflector light to shine through, whereas the gloss black color will black out the amber reflector completely. The overlays shown are gloss black. These overlays are precision cut to perfectly match the contours of the factory headlight. The overlays feature up to a 5-year outdoor life expectancy, are car wash safe, UV resistant, and are easily removable without damaging the factory headlights. I'll have a link to the overlays and all the products used in this video down in the video description. Before we installed the overlays, we decided to cut them out. This was done to help make it easier to test fit the product. With the overlays cut out, let's go over the items that you'll need to install the overlays. Those items include a felt edge squeegee, a long neck micro squeegee, scissors, lint-free microfiber cloths, and a spray bottle filled with a mixture of water and Dawn soap. There are 8 steps to follow when installing the overlays. Step 1. Clean the headlights with the soapy water that you have in the spray bottle and a lint-free microfiber cloth. Step 2. Test fit the overlays to get an idea of how they will lay onto the headlight. Step 3. Spray the headlight with the soapy water mixture. Step 4. Peel off the large back section of the overlay and lay it onto the headlight. After the back part has been laid down, keep peeling the backing off as you lay the rest of the overlay down. We prefer this method over just peeling off the entire overlay and trying to lay it all at once. You may need to spray more soapy water onto the headlight as you work towards the front of the headlight. After the overlay has been laid down, you can use a microfiber cloth to clean off the excess water. Step 5. Make any adjustments to the overlay to get it better positioned onto the headlight. It doesn't have to be perfect, as we can make slight adjustments with the install tools. Step 6. Using the felt edge squeegee, begin working out the bubbles from the overlay. You don't need to press hard on the overlay material to get the bubbles out. Doing so could move the material since it hasn't dried yet. You can use a cloth to wipe away the water pushed out by the squeegee. Once done, the overlay looked great, but we noticed the top wasn't totally at the black edge where we wanted it to be. So we used the micro squeegee and felt squeegee to push the overlay up onto the edge. When we finished, the overlay was set as we wanted it, right under the headlight's black outline. Step 7. Let the overlay have time to dry. If you want to help speed up the process, you can use heat on the overlay. As the overlays dry, they will adhere to the headlight and any remaining small bubbles will disappear. Finally, step 8. Repeat the process on the other headlight. After we finished both lights, we let the car sit out in the sun for a few hours to finish drying. When we came back outside to check on how the lights looked, we were pleasantly surprised to see all the bubbles had come out of the overlays and they looked great on the headlights. We had installed an older set of overlays from Premium Auto Styling, but they only covered the amber reflectors and didn't extend out like the newer set. This new overlay set gives the car a more aggressive look, along with getting rid of the ugly amber reflectors. Premium Auto Styling did a wonderful job making this overlay kit fit the OEM headlight perfectly. If you're looking to give your Veloster N a more aggressive look, order a set of Premium Auto Styling headlight overlays for your car today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.